stage.
Ano mo yun?
Lotte!
Yung sinulat niyo si Papa.
Galing mo mag-memorize, bro. The Bahay Kubo. That was crazy. Thank you.
Crazy talaga. Alam mo yung pinapunta ko sila sa farm, sabi ko, lagyan yung putik yung mukha nyo.
Oo, narinig ko yan. Grabe.
Niwala naman ito
Tumatawa ako. Why are you guys laughing? I couldn't stop laughing.
Alam ko naman acting lang yun, hindi ako yung nagkatawa.
I bet that's the reason why you got kicked off last night.
Sabi ko, sumitaw ka! Pogi ako!
That was the part. Pogi ako! And then,
Hindi.
bakla ka.
Ano siya? Parang patong-patong sa lahat. Walang kain.
That was fun. I think it was just everything top like
Ah,
that.
di ba?
No, eating, tired.
Hindi, tumawa kayo kasi palabas na ako, lumipad yung hat ko.
Hindi lang yun, kahit naghanap ako ng singkong
Pero,
tama ko.
every time I
Panalo yung boy ko lang.
ako. Kasi,
Tama din na.
Kahit ako.
Natawa na ako dun.
Na-off character ako dun.
Sabi na,
Boy kulangot.
"Hoy, boy kulangot!" Yung mukha
Boy
na
ko.
ako.
Sabi ko, hoy, boy ko.
Hoy, boy!
Hindi ako nahihiya, bakit?
Tumawa
Sabi
na
ko,
ako.
beauty.
Tawag na rin ni Digutol kay Digel.
Boy ko.
Boy ko.
Hoy, babalik pa kayo next week. Iba na namang role niyo.
Hindi na pa.
Ayoko na.
Hindi na. Guys, enjoy nyo lang yung food nyo, ha?
Yeah, enjoy.
Enjoy na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, now?
Ngayon?
Yeah, we're going.
Oh,
For real,
For
for real.
This
real.
time, we're not.
They're not coming back though.
Enjoy, just keep on eating na lang.
Yeah, but you'll see. What's on my
Yeah.
goodness? I'm gonna miss you, Seichi. I love you, Seichi.
you're living to? Kasi, are you living? Honestly, are you living to?
Hotdoggy naman yung request. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung hotdoggy.
Pero, tago mo lang.
Ay, dito, dito, dito.
Ni birthday mo.
Hotdoggy? Maroon. Kasa din.
Oh, that's what I
Well, no.
asked. I said, he asked me what I want. I'm like, a pack of cigarettes and a beer. But this is better because everyone gets to eat. So that.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well,
happy birthday, ha?
gonna miss you guys. See you in the outside world. Okay lang.
Well, hang out to the bus with me, guys.
Thanks guys, thanks for the scary week.
Yeah. Pogi ako!
Ano lang ang loob niyan?
Boy ko lang yan.
Bilib din ako sa kanila, ano?
Sorry.
Okay. Let's leave it right there.
Sumuko parati ha. Kasi tumakas. Tumakas ka.
Kakapaling! Hintay mo ako. Galing niyo, bro.
Oh, you guys.
You guys did an awesome job.
Galing.
Pero pare, magaling kang...
Uy, yung heels ko, baka makalimutan ko. Hindi pa naman sa akin.
Maybe.
Pare.
I don't know.
Lagi.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi ako na madrip. Kahit kailan.
Stay here again.
Bye.
Bye, maybe.
Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Kita tayo.
Hotdoggy, please.
Punta tayo sa bahay na.
Hotdoggy!
Sige, sige.
Hotdoggy! 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 Hotdoggy!
Let's go there. Take care, brother. Bakit hindi sasama si Chichi sa inyo? Chichi, are you
Safeguard.
I hope
Sa
that
teams.
yeah. And this
May
would be
alcohol?
perfect.
Maubos talaga natin.
Today,
No,
my
hindi,
blood
hindi
is
pa
so
uubos sa
down.
akin. Kasi
And,
lang pa tayo.
We can see it.
kaya nga, I was,
Sila din mismo, alam nila.
once it, Party hard, rock on, darling dude, the big girl.
Sino yan?
Ang big.
Typical
What?
Sino? Sino?
This is Chaser. Cute.
Oh, Chaser yan.
He's like, are you happy now?
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Of course. He's like, good, if you're happy, I'm happy. I'm like,
Wow.
nice, drink!
Let's do this. Happy birthday!
Sorry, Seichi.
It's something.
Ready na, bigat mo.
Game,
Oh, Seichi, Seichi.
Chichi pa.
Where's your iced tea? Do you want to finish it? Now, so you can use it.
Mga tol,
Yo.
kaya ako ngayon lang nilabas
You want me to finish it?
yung alak na yan. Dahil may kasabihan tayo kanina, di ba?
Ang taong nagbibingo.
When the amo is away, the forest will play.
Ready hanapin ko to.
Okay, taas nyo!
Yeah!
To my homie, Darren Foods!
Doggy drinking.
Cheers!
Go!
Ah!
Ah!
Grabe.
Gitara, please.
Ayoko na.
Ito, oh. Para matugtugan ko naman si Divine.
Ayoko na.
Slayer just wants me bigger.
For you.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
This is for Divine. Yes. Ang kinasa lang and for me, the usual, more birthdays to come, etc., etc. You already know the good things that must come your way. But other than that,
Ano yung kanin?
be strong inside Kuya's house.
Ano yan?
And
Mantika lang.
yes. And then just remember, there will be people who love you. So cheers.
And
to
hate me.
More importantly, there are people who love you.
Will always love you.
More importantly, cheers. Cheers.
Salamat.
Don't worry about the people that don't like you. Just remember.
Grabe, hindi ko na kaya. Timo, pag umupo ako, puputok na. Lang naman. Lasin mo na nga to. Ito.
Uubusin din yun. Relax.
Grabe.
Uubos din yun.
Ano may gitara? And
Grabe.
feels so good that
Tingin ko may
is
gitara.
over, the heart is over. Sa tingin mo may gitara.
This is like the prize after a hard week.
2 weeks na actually.
Yeah. Super hard.
2 weeks na.
Oh no, walang budget. Oh my
And the,
God!
the intensity level has changed now.
That's why hindi na tayo pinapapatay ng manok kanina, no?
Yep.
Ng ano?
Manok.
Pabaya mo na yun sa akin.
Ganun bakit na? Or it feels so good after not having a weekly budget, not having meat and stuff, and then boom, it's on. Boom, barbecue.
Oh, parang 1 day lang yung weekly budget inubos. Ginawa artista.
I'm so happy Western Baboy because Slater's been wanting Western Baboy for so long.
Oo, di ba? Forever. Today, yung lechon and halo-halo yung ano to? Since forever.
Like 3 months ago.
Oo.
Okay na siya.
The first week we got was industrial.
Ako nung December.
Anyway, pangpulutan natin.
First week,
We can just add more later. Gang, thanks.
you're gonna fry it.
Yep. Dito natin.
I wonder how to sleep at night.
Ano?
I'm gonna
The
sleep
sales
so
come
well.
first.
Ako rin. Meron ng guitar, please.
Ano na ba to?
Kulang
Kulang pa.
Butol.
Kulang?
Imagine last on Sunday we had one of those bottles and it was just right. So now we have
Wala
two.
lang.
It's gonna be like perfect.
Pero hindi kayo natatakot. Ito, ano lang to? Para pang preparasyon pang next week. This is to soften us up for next week again.
For sure. So yeah, I want to be on the floor tonight.
Yes.
Oh, we're going wild and crazy. Maganda yun eh. We're going wild and crazy.
Crazy ng ano?
Lagi
I remember when... Yan. Bago. Hindi, Young and Free, something.
Oh, yan!
Young and Free. Yan ba yun?
Oo.
Yan ba yun?
Hindi pata.
With Usher. Usher!
It's Usher and Jim McDonough. Without you.
Yeah. This was out before we came. Chill.
No, it's gonna without you.
I raised my
Ibang
glass.
level of music dito, no? It's like...
Yeah, goosebumps.
Music dito, it's like...
Yeah.
Different.
Oo.
Mas tumatama yung mga...
All the songs that we hear.
May kaibigan ako
This is
ganito
just like...
sayaw. Oo, seryoso.
Ikaw, paano ka magsayaw pag nasa...
Kanya pa.
Paano ka magsayaw sa lang sa bar.
Gano'n kayo? Tapos may drink.
Ano, paano yung bago lang sa bar? Ganito.
Ganyan lang.
Bago sa bar.
Guys, baro. Ganyan na pagbag na.
Girlfriend ng brother ko, gano'n. May tangkad-tangkad, 5'10" siya. 5'10".
Nilaro namin yan sa industry yan. Zip zap zeng, zeng na tura. Tapos, si Lin, zip zap jang. Zip zap jang.
Hey, let's play, and the person who lives has to take a shot.
Sige.
Sige?
Sige. I lost. 1, 2.
Ikaw
Paano
na,
tayo?
isa pa, puliho,
Paano ba ulit yun?
isa pa.
Zip, hindi. Zip zap, kahit
Zip,
saan.
zap, zing.
Zeng, pili ka.
Zing.
Like
Zip,
zeng.
zap, zing.
Okay?
Go left to right, zip, zap, and zing. Whoever you want to point.
Zip, zap, and zing. Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Zip. Wala na!
Again.
Again.
Paano yan? Zip.
Anywhere, zip or zap, or zip, zap, and zing. Whoever you want.
Turn up, please.
Ay.
Again.
Pero zip or zap is either Talamar cut.
2 bottles.
Sige, una.
Again. One,
Zip.
Zap.
Zap.
Zing!
Dapat
Zing.
zing.
Anywhere, zing.
Zip, zap, zang. Sunod-sunod lang yun. Ito. Zip, zap, zang. Zip, zap, zang.
Ay.
Ulit.
Zip.
Tabi ako kay Divine.
Zap.
Zip, mag-Diyos.
No, you can't point. Di ba?
Mali, dalawa na kayo.
Sige. Again.
Okay.
So again, zip or zap is either left or right. Zing is
Anywhere then.
whoever you
Point.
want to.
Okay.
Zip.
Zap,
Zing!
zip.
Zip, point ka.
She pointed the big
I pointed to you, I looked at you.
Wait, is Beagle
Is
It has to be left or right.
Bigel still here? Dito.
Bigel
Not
not
even on
there.
earth right now. Alright, let's do it. Start.
Okay.
Zip.
zap?
Paulit-ulit.
Zing!